A plastic runner is 20 feet long and is cut into 3 pieces. The second piece is 1 foot shorter than twice the first piece. The third piece is 1 foot longer than twice the first. Write an equation for the situation and solve to find the length of each piece. Well, let's set up our variables. Let's let x equal the length of the first piece. So the length of the second piece is said to be 1 foot shorter than twice the first. And the length of the third piece is said to be 1 foot longer than twice the first. Now that we have the variables set up, let's remember that the plastic runner is 20 feet long totally, so we will have the first piece plus the second piece plus the third piece equals 20. Removing the parentheses will give us this. We'll combine the variables. We've got x plus 2x plus another 2x gives us 5x. We have a minus 1 and a plus 1, which coincidentally cancel each other out. So 5x equals 20, and by dividing by 5 on both sides we find out that x equals 4. So 4 is the number of feet for the first piece. We need to find the others as well. The second piece is 1 less than twice the first. So the second piece will be 1 less than twice the first. So that would be 8 minus 1, which would give me 7 feet for the second. And for the third, we know that it is 1 more than twice the first. So that gives us 8 plus 1, which is 9. Well, let's add those up just to be sure that they add up to 20. 4 plus 7 gives us 11, plus 9 gives us 20. So those are the lengths of each of the 3 pieces that have been cut from this plastic runner. Okay, going on to another problem. A father's age is 2 years less than 4 times his son's age. The grandfather's age is 1 more than 6 times the boy's age. The sum of their ages is 109. Write an equation that represents this situation and solve for each of their ages. So the boy's age, we will say, has a value of x. The father's age is 2 years less than 4 times his son's age. The grandfather has an age that is 1 more than 6 times the boy's age. The sum of their ages is 109. So there's the boy, the father, and the grandfather. Altogether, their ages add up to 109. Let's remove the parentheses. And now we'll combine the x's. We have x plus 4x gives us 5x, plus 6x gives us 11x. We then have a minus 2 and a plus 1, so those would mean that we would have minus 1 equal 109. So let's solve for x. We'll add 1 to both sides. That gives us 11x is equal to 110. And if I divide by 11 on both sides, I discover that x is equal to 10. So that means that the boy is 10 years old. His father is 2 less than 4 times 10. So that would be 40 minus 2, or 38. And the grandfather is 1 more than 6 times the boy's age. That would be 60 plus 1, or 61. So these three people are 10, 38, and 61.